So I got some pretty good feedback from one of my mentors, which is online. I never met this guy before, but he gave me a little heart-to-heart via a live stream, and basically giving me like some guidance into where I should take this channel and this series. So I'm going to, like, of course, take his advice and go through the, go back to the drawing board and see what I can come up with. So far what I've come up with, and I'm going to take it to him, is like these 2 avatars that I've created to kind of guide my content towards and attracting those 2 avatars, male and female, so that I can better be of service to them, which is help them get fit, help them live better lives, a better mindset, be clear in their intent, so they can get their results. So I will be making some further announcements with who these avatars are, like their traits, and what I can do for them. So be on the lookout for those coming down the pipe. And what else I had to mention? Can't come up with it off the top of the dome quite yet, but yeah, those 2 so far is going to be the projects leading into the new year. So January, I'm looking to kick it off with like a big punch, and I want to be collaborating with a ton of trainers, coaches, and everybody in the health community, right? We're going to just like bring them all together so we can be of service to these 2 avatars. So yeah, I'm super excited about this, and I can't wait to get these projects rolling. So let's get it.